If you want to bring your phone into the string, specifically an iPhone, I'm going to show you how to do that from zero to everything that I do. And I think it's pretty cool because sometimes I want to bring the phone to show some comments or maybe picture, or maybe something that you have in the phone, and it makes that string a little bit more creative, right? Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very simple. You're going to need a video capture card, and this one right here is about $19. I'll link all the stuff down in the comment section below. This thing is very cheap and it works really fantastic. The reason why you need a video capture card is because you got to be able to bring that phone into the string. It's going to have to be recognized with this, right? If you plug in the phone, a lot of times the computer won't recognize it. So you're going to need a video capture card. This one is going to be connected to the computer. And essentially, I have this cable right here that is a little bit of an extension. So what I do is that I put this in here. And again, you don't need the cable, but it makes it a little bit more flexible. Now, my computer is a MacBook Pro and obviously does not have a USB-A. So I got this little adapter right here that is going to go here. All right, so we got the video capture card almost ready. This side right here is going to be the HDMI. And obviously, you're going to connect it. And here's what we got so far here in the cable. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this to my computer. We're going to do this live, so my computer's right there docking to a docking station. And now, as you can see, this thing is connected right there, right? So now we're going to need the dongle right here. And essentially, this thing has an HDMI as well as a charging port. And then this right here is going to be connected to the phone. Connect the HDMI and definitely connect the charging, because here's the deal. If you're going to string or you're going to do something that is going to take a while, essentially, you're going to run out of battery. You don't want to do that. You want to have your phone nicely charged. And by the way, you could do a similar setup for your phone and your TV, right? You connect this HDMI to your TV and you can play things through your TV. So now we're going to go ahead here and connect the phone. And just to give you a quick look, guys, here's my channel right here. So I'm going to show you how I do this as well. But just to give you a quick look, you see there, I could show you all this. So if I'm live streaming, I could quickly come into this side right here and kind of give you a look on these things, right? So it's kind of nice to bring the phone into the stream. And we're going to have a different setup, something like this as well. Look how nice that is. So again, I could be talking to you guys and be like, hey guys, I want you to check out my channel. And then I click here and now I'm giving you a look on my channel, right? But how do I do this? It's actually quite simple. This is what I'm going to show you. I got a couple different things that I do here. First of all, I use Ecamm, and then I use something called the Elgato. And I'm going to give you a quick look right here so you can see it. So essentially, this is what I have here. So as I press a button, you see me that I'm here. Now I'll press another button and I'm back right here, right? So again, this thing is just awesome. So you could get them on 15 key, 6 key. I got the 32. It comes with the software. Very simple for you to figure it out and all that. So it won't take you that much to understand this. So here's what I do, and I'm going to show you this. It's going to be pretty simple. So I'm going to add up a scene here on Ecamm. I'm just going to come down here and I'm just going to add up a plus sign. Obviously, it's dark right now. I'm going to add up my camera right here. Icon right there. I'm going to hit it again. Let's do it right there. You have to click right in the middle, right? And then I'm going to add up an overlay. If I go to this screen right here that you see that I'm touching right now, this one, I'm going to click here on the camera. And then it's going to give me the screen black. I'm going to click here and this pencil right here. And I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to set up the USB, which is this one right here. You guys can see the camera, right? Let me go ahead and change it here to the channel. So as I fix this, you guys can see it. Obviously, I can't have it like this. So I'm going to press Option in my keyboard, and then I'm going to kind of like shrink this. You see when I press Option, you got to press Option. Then I'm going to move this around, press Option right here. Again, I'm going to kind of move this to whatever position I want. I think I got it almost there. And then I'm going to grab it right here. I can even make it bigger. I can make it smaller, but I'm going to grab it right here and put it here, right? So that's kind of like nice right there, right? So let's go ahead here. I like it right there. I'm going to come here to this new scene and I'm going to put main camera and iPhone. And then I'm just going to lock it in place. I don't want to make any changes. I'm just going to leave it like that. But how do I bring it to my Stream Deck right here? Well, that's simple. Here's my Stream Deck software. And as you can see right there, there's all the buttons. So let's press right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put run scene. And this is going to be Ecamm plugins that it has, right? I've been using Ecamm for a long time. If you have OBS, you can have different plugins. If it depends what you have, the Stream Deck has tons of stuff, right? So it's going to say run scene, but maybe you want to change it, right? Main camera with iPhone. And again, you know, you could do a lot of stuff on this. It's not going to be a tutorial on this, but you could switch this little screen right here. You could do, you know, set a file, set a new location. You could add a thumbnail for there. You could do all kind of different things. But then the scene right here, you're going to notice how I have scenes, right? Well, I'm going to pick the one that I just created, which is this one. And then I'm just going to exit out, right? So now let me show you this right here. So if I go to my main screen, this is my main screen right there, the top one, but I press the one that I just created, the button that I just created. This is what's going to happen right here, right? And boom, it's going to show right there. See how simple? So I could just easily make the string a little bit more engagement. If I want to show my YouTube channel, if I'm talking to you guys, say, hey guys, I want to show you some of the shorts that I have done here. I could click here and now I could be showing you the short. It just makes it a little bit better. Even could share some of the comments and things like that. Like for example, I just released this video. I could come here and show you some of the details on the video and all that, and you could see it. It just makes the string better. And that's it. That's how you connect your phone to your computer. You could live stream, you could do videos or whatever you want.